Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming power and access. Verify your PSU provides the required wattage and the correct 6/8-pin connectors for the new card. Once done, shut down and unplug the system, then press the power button for a few seconds to drain residual power so components are safe. Make sure to ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch the case. Remove the case side panel and locate the PCIe X16 slot. Keep screws and parts organized to avoid delays when you return to assembly. Next, you remove the existing card, unplug its power cables, unscrew the rear bracket, and press the PCIe slot latch to release it. Once free, gently pull the old card straight out. Now align the new graphics card with the PCIe X16 slot and the rear bracket. Push evenly and firmly until you hear or feel the slot latch click and the bracket lines up with the case. Secure the GPU with screws. Then reconnect the 6/8-pin power cables and route them neatly to prevent fan obstruction. Finally, plug the power back in and boot the PC. Enter BIOS to confirm the motherboard detects the new GPU and set it as the primary display if needed. Once in the OS, install the latest vendor drivers, then restart and run a 10 to 15-minute stress or benchmark test to verify stability and temperatures. If you encounter a black screen or no signal, power down, reseat the card, verify all power connectors are fully seated, and if necessary, test with onboard video to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.